Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to disable spam message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've been getting annoying or unwanted messages in your requests, this quick setting change will help you keep your inbox clean and organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on your home page, look toward the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots. This will open a menu with several options related to your account and app preferences. From here, select Settings and Privacy. That's where you'll find all the main controls for your account, including security, notifications, and privacy management. Next, choose the section labeled Privacy and Safety. This is the place where you can manage who can reach you, what kind of content you see, and how your interactions appear on the platform. Now, look for the option called Direct Messages and click on it. This section focuses on your message settings, including who can contact you and how message requests are filtered. Here comes the important part. Find the setting named Filter Low Quality Messages. This feature is designed to automatically separate potentially spammy or unwanted messages into a different folder. To stop those filtered messages from showing up as requests, simply turn off or disable this option. When it's disabled, your message requests will no longer be filtered in that way. Once you switch it off, your change is saved automatically, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the spam message request filter on X. Now your inbox will only show message requests as they come in, without the platform trying to filter them in the background. That's all for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on using X and other social media platforms.